is Aziz Sargasha, an enthusiastic learner and adventurer. And finally, in his 21, he finally graduated to college, able to do a lot of things that he liked. And yeah, what a life if there is no struggle. There is always a thing that kept me bothering, and that is, what will you give to your 22 as a present? In my 21, there's a lot of things that happen. I mean, a lot. I felt a lot of emotion, such as a happiness, sadness, fear, a lot of emotion. And this part is called facing struggles. My 21 started with my last shot at the competition. The process of making it was kinda hard, but it was really fun though, even though it was kinda hard because we brought a new concept. We had a very short amount of time to shoot and edit. We even struggled just to match the schedule, but what's an experience, right? Then it was finally the final exam week. We had our last exam together, and you know, ya jadi sekarang kita udah selesai banget semester 7. It was kind of sad. No, it's very sad, but that's life, right? I mean, everything what we started will eventually come to an end, and alhamdulillah, we ended it nicely.
Ingatlah hari ini, guys.
Satu katanya apa?
Satu paragraf ya? Gifted.
Bahasa Inggris.
Gifted.
Fast forward, I went hiking with my friends to Kadkar, Mount Cermai, and this time I'm with Anggra, Bani, and Ambia. To be honest, this hike was by far my hardest hike ever because the lack of condition, weather, and lack of preparation. But that's what made this hike so meaningful to me. We spent more than 30k in total, and that was tough, very tough. And after that, I spent my final uni holiday with my bro, exploring Jogja. We had so much fun and made a lot of memories. That was one of the things on my bucket list. Thank you, Wendy. And then I got to check off my another items of my bucket list, and it was finally my first exchange to another country. Even though it was only for a week, it was truly memorable. All this moment will forever stay in my heart. And this part is called pressure, pressure, and pressure. I'm finally at the cutting edge of my uni era, and you know, at this point, most of my time was spent on my final project, or what we usually call scripts. To keep my sanity, I ran a lot too. And you know, this part also marks the end of my journey in HMPL as a head of media. During this time, I spent most of my day alone. At least I still have my friends who accompany me. And along the time, the pressure I got got more heavier when I realized all of my close friends were finishing one by one. That was one of the biggest pressure I had in that time. But you know, I believe that I would never giving up on myself, no matter how heavy the burden was or how big the pressure I felt. I believe that I would get through it. And you know, finally, I got the chance to submitting my final task, or what we usually call scriptsy. And this part happened kinda simultaneously, but before my presentation of my final task or scriptsy, I joined a race in Jakarta, Jakim. And you know, at least I had a moment to release all the pressure before the final task, right? Before the presentation, and you know, finally I did it, alhamdulillah. this part is called farewell. After all things that I've done, I finally had a moment to congratulate myself after all the pressure I had when I'm finishing my skripsi. I finally had my dream hike, Mount Merbabu. That mountain is the mountain that I've always dreamed about since the first time I started my hiking era. And it become memorable not only because of the destination,
Ayo,
but also
lu
because of the
mendiskredit
people
kan?
in it, especially Angra, Haki, Dafat, and three more. This is probably by far the most beautiful mountain I've ever hiked. Not gonna lie, the Mount Merbabu is kind of similar with Rinjani, but yeah, it's a lot easier and it's still beautiful though. It's the most beautiful mountain in Java, I think. And in August, I finally graduated. It felt kinda empty, but I'm so glad I made it. After that, I got an internship in Jakarta so I could continue my old hobbies, running at GBK at night, reuniting with my friends. Yeah, that was a great time. On my final days, I finally had my arak-arakan. The one thing I wanted the most from the student association.
Kan oke banget, akhirnya gue jarak. Oke. 4 tahun mengabdi, 3 tahun sih, 3 tahun mengabdi di HMP, akhirnya gue selesai juga cuy.
After that came Wish Night, a farewell night to everything that happened in ITB in Union. It was very, very emotional, but we have to embrace it, right? So, in your 22 year, this one is one of the gift presented by your 21 years old self to you, as is at 22. You've been through a lot of times, a lot of emotion in your 21, but that's what makes who you are. And for the final statement, happy birthday, Aziz. May all the wishes you have come true soon enough. Happy birthday, Aziz.